When your shelves are bare of both finished goods and child parts, our VSIOP Planner addresses the critical bottleneck: timely order placement with vendors. Enter the cornerstone of procurement management within our tool, the PTR System. This sophisticated feature doesn't just list what needs ordering. With a simple double-click, it unfurls a detailed breakdown of each item, transforming procurement into a precise, well-informed process. Visual cues take center stage. Orders demanding urgent action are spotlighted in red, capturing your attention where it's needed most. This intuitive interface lays out your procurement landscape, part by part, ensuring precision in every order placed. But what about vendor relations? Our tool is your diplomatic envoy, arming you with the knowledge to communicate effectively with suppliers. Clear timelines and exact specifications mean your vendors are well prepared to meet your inventory needs, keeping your manufacturing gears turning smoothly. In manufacturing, where every second counts, proactive order management is the key to staying ahead. Our VSIOP Planner is more than just a tool. It's your strategic partner in maintaining a seamless inventory supply chain. It's not just about meeting customer requirements, it's about exceeding them with unwavering confidence and efficiency.